guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on my daily goodie box unboxing for May. This is a website where it's free to join. You create a profile, and if you're selected, you get a free box of goodies. All they ask is that you review the products once you get them. You can also win boxes if you follow them on social media, so I'll have all that linked below in the description box. And let's take a look at what we got. So the first item is Daily Wellness. Some vitamins, full spectrum of mushrooms plus Wellmune. Pretty interesting. And it's dairy-free, soy-free, no gluten, and they're vegetarian capsules. And it has vitamin C, D3, zinc. Very cool. Big container of that. Also have Bare Republic Mineral Sunscreen, vanilla cocoa scented. That's awesome. SPF 50 and then water resistant for 80 minutes. I love when they're on the sticks like that. I keep them in my purse because sometimes there's like an impromptu thing where I don't know I'm going to be outside for a long time. So this is really awesome to have. And then this came in a little baggie just in case it got punctured. Raw pecan butter with cashews. That's pretty neat. Haven't had that before. And it feels nice and liquidy too. So there's two of those. Also have home free chocolate chip mini cookies. Egg free, dairy free, peanut free, nut free, whole grain, no gluten. Awesome. Then we have some lotion that's fragrant free. Hand and body treatment. Beauty without cruelty, it says. These are all brands I haven't tried yet, so this is cool. Also have a natural toothpaste made in Australia. Original and classic. And it has a fresh mint taste. Also have some Hudson Henry granola, maple pecans and coconut, handcrafted with olive oil. Looks super yummy. Kind of see it through there. And then there are some pamphlets at the end here. Let's see. Herbal Zap, Ancient Wisdom. This is a party detox. And then some more information about them. Looks like they have different varieties of those. And I think they sent maybe one of each. There's the immune one, immune support, and then we have a digestive support. And then we have a little paper clip at the bottom. Well, some more information about the Hudson Henry granola and then a promo code. So like I said, if you guys would like to sign up and try to win a box, I'll put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.